What message would GGDI like the public to understand about the connection between water, health, and human dignity?
Oh my God, they're so intertwined. You can't really take one out of the other. Right now, we're probably at the most vulnerable as a society with our human rights, right? So we're kind of at this crossroads right now. We can see like this section of the rich that want us to go back to the 1800s and rule everybody and push everybody in poverty and control the masses. And yeah, that's not going to happen. If you don't have access to water, you can't clean up. Even when we think of homeless villages and people say, well, they just don't want to work, or they this or they that. And it's like, number one, they don't even have access to a toilet. They don't have access to wash their hands. They don't have access to clean their clothes. And there goes the dignity and the inability, because when they get a job, you need to wash your clothes, you need to clean up. And if having access to communities that, support the people that are most vulnerable so that they can participate in the world. Because we have expectations. You can't be stinky and you can't be dirty and you can't be, you got to be a certain way. But if you don't have access to that, how can you participate? And if you have a young woman or a young girl that has her period and can't wash her hands or can't clean up if she has a bit of a mess, which happens to everybody, then they end up not being able to participate in the world, which impacts their dignity and their ability to not live in poverty. Everything is connected. You can't take one piece out. You can't, because they're all intertwined. That's just how it is.